Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can use health checklist to monitor your health in iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open your health app and then click on your profile icon. Now here in features section, click on health checklist. Now here you can use health checklist to monitor your health. You can set up your medical ID, your medical conditions, your medical notes, allergies and reactions, and then click on done. And you can also set a emergency SOS. You can also turn on crash detection, and you can also turn on and off walking steadiness notifications. So that's how you can use health checklist to monitor your health in iPhone 15 Pro Max. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.